Good morning everyone. Myself Gangwar and with my teammates Devashish, Sharma and Prerna. We are here to address a critical issue in agriculture, the dangers and inefficiencies faced by the farmer during the nighttime irrigation.
Many farmers are forced to irrigate their fields at night, exposing themselves to risks such as snake bites and other dangers. Besides, traditional irrigation methods often lead to water wastage and require farmers to manually monitor the process, which is time. Our solution is a smart irrigation and safety system that automates irrigation, allowing farmers to control the water quota remotely using a smartphone. This eliminates the need for
Operated a boundary water detection system. It automatically shuts off the motor once the field is fully irrigated, effectively preventing water wastage.